Here's your Weather Extreme video for this Sunday, the 5th of December. I'm meteorologist Bill Murray, and dense fog is the story again this morning, especially across western and southern parts of central Alabama, into western Mississippi, south Alabama, southwest western Georgia, as a matter of fact. All these areas, visibility is less than a half mile in spots, and a dense fog advisory issued by the National Weather Service Birmingham, corresponding advisories by surrounding National Weather Service offices. Now, this fog will begin to slowly burn off this morning, should be gone by 9 a.m. or so, but until that time, use caution if you're out encountering any patches of that dense fog. Now, go tell the story of the weather the next several days in the upper air pattern, because when you look at the upper air pattern, a lot of times you can already tell what's going to happen, at least in the big picture. This is the upper pattern this morning, showing a big area of low pressure up over Canada. Northern stream, we got a split jet flow stream right now across the United States. The northern stream up there across the northern tier states. Southern stream branches down into a big upper trough over southwestern United States into Old Mexico. Got a little bit of a trough moving through Alabama today. We'll push a front into the area later tonight with some showers and storms, but we'll be keeping an eye on that. It's going to be an active pattern of the next several days. Here's by tomorrow at noon, showing trough pushing its way into the Great Lakes region. That's going to power our front through the area tomorrow night, but it's going to hang up over central Alabama, come back to the north as a warm front. It means showers in the forecast through that entire period. By Wednesday, a stronger trough axis to the west of us is pushing through. That means another frontal passage, brief respite for Thursday, and then Friday another system, and this will be the strongest of the period, will be moving into the western United States. That's going to paint the threat of rain and storms for Saturday night into Sunday. Some of those storms could be strong to severe, as we can see this very amplified pattern here, even taking on a bit of a negative tilt, meaning it's sort of the axis is going from the northwest to the southeast, and that sometimes can be indicative of a really strong system and severe weather. You go into the following week, though, look, big ridge of high pressure covers most of the United States. That week's going to be mainly dry, really probably pretty much dry, and slightly warmer than normal. We'll be in the 60s here in Alabama, nothing big to change. Temperatures across the state today. This is at what we would expect this afternoon around 2 o'clock. Should be the peak heating of the day. Areas got a little bit more cloudiness, may see 60s, upper 60s, will be lower 70s most of the rest of the area. Should be a pretty nice day. Partly most cloudy skies. A few showers could show up this afternoon, but the main rain effect will come tonight. All models in agreement. This is the band of thunderstorms reaching northwest Alabama late tonight, early Monday morning, and then progressing slowly across the state during the day. GFS 21Z Monday shows rain and thunderstorms across much of the state. European, good agreement. And even the North American model, good agreement. A little slower with that system, but we'll deal with rain and thunderstorms on Monday. Chance of severe weather overnight. Parts of Arkansas, western Tennessee, northwestern Mississippi got slight risk on the day one. Marginal risk down into the northwest corner of Alabama, where those storms will be knocking on the door late tonight, and thunderstorms on through 7 a.m. across central Alabama. Going to Tuesday, showing that front just to the southeast. It will be cooler, 30s Tuesday morning, 50s for highs, few showers across the area during the afternoon hours on Tuesday, and rain and thunderstorms will become likely again during the night. During the overnight hours into the daytime hours on Wednesday. Showers again, a few storms, nothing expected to be severe. Decent rainfall coming with that system. I think we'll see about an inch of rain probably out of it. Get a quarter to 3/4 of an inch out of the system that'll be moving through Alabama late tonight and tomorrow. This is Thursday, brief respite. We get the second front on through here, really same front, but the second passage gets on through here, and we get probably partly cloudy skies, I would expect, maybe to mostly cloudy at times. A shower not out of the question, but we'll say mainly dry. Get back up to around 61 degrees. Friday, increasing moisture and warmth ahead of this low pressure system in that big trough that we were talking about. A few showers show up as well. We'll be in the middle to upper 60s on Friday. Partly sunny, though, chance for shower during the day. Now, Saturday, the system really gets organized. Low pressure at the surface near Memphis. moving to the northeast. That puts us in a fairly favorable position for showers and thunderstorms ahead of the front Saturday night. Some of those storms could be strong to severe. We just don't know at this point what the extent of that is going to be. The coverage, we're watching it. The system will take its time getting through here late Saturday afternoon, Saturday night. Got the surface low there to the east of Nashville, rain and heavy thunderstorms over Alabama. Some snow back in the colder air, parts of northwestern Mississippi, western Tennessee, maybe a little heavier snow, western Kentucky, and on up through the Ohio Valley. Now by Sunday morning, that system is lifting on off to the northeast. You can see the showers and thunderstorms exiting our area. Maybe a flake or two of snow. Some decent snow is coming for much of the state of Kentucky. Central middle Tennessee over into the Smokies also some snow. We don't think we'll have any problems here, but it's certainly a sign of the times. By Monday, high pressure beginning to build in. This is Sunday night. You can see that high building in. And then going out to the end of the period, December the 20th, this is Monday, December the 20th, showing another system coming in, putting it into that nice run of weather that we're going to experience. This temperature roller coaster sort of looks like the Scream Machine at Six Flags that we used to love riding. The warmest day is probably tomorrow until next Friday and Saturday. We'll drop off during the week this week. Those fronts kind of passing through, kind of warm across the area, humid, stormy for Friday and Saturday, then cooling off for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, but we'll be back in the 60s for highs and overnight lows in the 40s, just slightly above normal for this time of year. Really looking forward to Weather Brains tomorrow night. The director of the National Weather Service, Dr. Louis Usolini, is retiring. This is his last few weeks in the job, and he will join the Brainy Bunch tomorrow night, and we will have a retirement party for the ages for him, celebrating his life and career. Dr. Louis Usolini joining us tomorrow night, and Morgan Palmer, meteorologist from Seattle, will be joining us as well in that guest panelist role. So tune into Weather Brains tomorrow night. Well, that's your weather video for this Sunday, December the 5th. I'll have notes on the blog, an update on the forecast coming up at noon. Keep you posted on anything we see changes in the severe weather threat. Don't expect anything much here in Alabama. Keep your weather radios tonight on just in case, especially in the northwest corner of the state. And also keep an eye on the blog through the day, because if anything changes, you'll know about it first right here. Well, that's your weather video for this December 5th. As I always tell you, when I see you next Sunday, keep an eye to the sky, because you'll always have something fun to look at.